Maruti Suzuki Dream Catchers.
Hi, I'm Ajinkya Dharia. I'm founder and CEO at Padcare Labs. We at Padcare Labs develop world's first smokeless sanitary napkin disposal and recycling system. With 600 students, we are saving 8,000 pads on monthly basis and creating a social, environmental impact. In 2017, when I was in my final year of engineering, was doing a project while doing an immersion, I observed in someone throw the used sanitary napkins in the dump garbage. At the same time, fellow waste pickers pick up this waste by using bare hands. So that was when I did a background research. I found that 330 million Indian women generate 12 billions of sanitary napkins in India, and 98% of this waste is going into landfill and water bodies. And it takes 800 years to decompose single sanitary napkins. Imagine the negative impact on the environment. We are using a chemomechanical method where it has a different stages. One is SaniBin. SaniBin is a small compact device that can be fit into individual cubicles. It comes along with our touch-free mechanism and the SaniWrap system. The SaniWrap is works on the vapor-based technology and does provide 99.99% protection against harmful bacteria and the pathogens, and it does do the deodorization as well. Because of that, we can store up to 30 parts in a small bin for 30 days. So at the back end, liner coming out of it, we are putting into a centralized machine. It's called Sanico 50. It works on the provide the 5 Ds: disinfection, deodorization, decolorization, disintegration, and deactivation of superabsorbent polymer by using our own patent pending cytosolic solution that can handle 1,500 pads per day. And interestingly, the output coming out of it can be reused and recycled. We get cellulose and the plastic. It can be used in the raw packaging industry for secondary or tertiary to make the packaging materials. So we are trying to close this loop to create the circular economy. We are introducing subscription-based model for the organizations having around 500 to 1,000 plus daily women footfall. When we started the pilot in last June 2019, we have installed at 3 to 5 locations. We are expanding in the next 6 months apart from Pune into Bangalore and into the Mumbai as well. Imagining a single baby uses 8,000 baby diapers in just 2 to 3 years. Yeah, the quantum of waste generated and the impact on the environment, socially and economically, is quite high. So our next immediate dream is to solve that type of issue as well.
Maruti Suzuki Dream Catchers.